In this video, you will learn how you can install WordPress on your local PC. So without buying domain and hosting, you can use WordPress on your PC. If you want to learn WordPress website design or you want to build WordPress websites on your local PC without buying domain and hosting, this is the easiest way you can use WordPress on your PC. And later in the video I will also show you how you can enable live link functionality so you can share your locally built sites link with anyone. Let's say you built a site for client and now you want to show that site to client. You can enable live link functionality and share the site link with anyone. So make sure to watch till the end, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. Head over to Google and search LocalWP. At the top you will see a site called localwp.com. Open the site. Here we can see a download button, just click on it. Now choose your platform. As I am using Windows, so I will choose Windows. And now I need to add few basic details like name, email, and for the organization type I will choose independent. Now if I click on get it now, you will see that downloading has been started. Here you can see the downloading has been started. Once the download process is complete, just double click on the installation file, click on the next few times, and this software will be installed. This is a really simple process. Like you install any other software, the same way you can install this LocalWP. Once the download and installation process is done, you will see an icon on your desktop. Double click to open it. When you open local first time, this is the screen that you will see on your site. So just click on create a new site. By default, create a new site is selected, so keep it as it is. Click on continue. Here we need to add the site name. For now I'm just adding demo. Now again click on continue. Again continue. Now this is a important step. Here we need to add our WordPress username and password. So for the username I will add this simple admin, and for the password I will add 1234. Right now this site will be hosted in our computer, so we don't have any security concerns. That's why I have added the username admin and password is 1234. You need to remember your username and password because this is the username and password that you will use later to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you are adding something else, make sure to write it in notepad so you don't forget that. Now click on add site. The WordPress installation process has been started, and this process can take 1 to 2 minutes, totally depend on your PC and your internet connection. Let it complete, then we will continue. WordPress installation process is completed. Here on the beside the name of our site you can see green dot, that means this site is running, and here are the few details about your website like the PHP version, web server. We don't need to change anything here, just you can do one thing, one click admin. You can just enable this thing so you don't have to add your username and password every time when you are going to log in your WordPress dashboard. Just you can enable this one click admin, so when you click on this WP admin dashboard, it will directly take you to the WordPress dashboard without asking you to add your username and password. It's totally up to you. If you want you can enable, otherwise you can disable as well. Now if we click on open site, before that here you can see that here is the stop site button. When you see here stop site, that means your site is running, and when you click on this stop site, now the site has been closed. We can start the site again. Here click on start site and the site has started again. Now if we click on open site, this is the site we have right now. Okay, so let's click on the WP admin. Now we are going to log in our WordPress dashboard. Here you can see it didn't ask username and password because we have enabled the one click admin thing. That's why we are logged in our WordPress dashboard without username and password, but it's totally up to you. If you want, you can disable this thing, but I usually keep on this thing. So this is how you can install WordPress on your PC. Now you can do anything, like you can change the theme and or any other settings you want. This is your complete WordPress site. You can do anything, whatever you want to do, you can do here. Like you have a dashboard, you can create pages, change the theme, install the plugins, everything you can do here. So this is how you can install WordPress on your PC. Now let's see how you can enable live link functionality. To enable live link, click on the Tools tab and here click on the live link. Now you need to create a free account on the LocalWP website to use this functionality. So click on Login to use. I already have an account on this website, but you can click on create an account and add your username and password. Once you created your account, you will be logged into your account. And you can see I am logged in. Now if we go back again to the LocalWP, here we can see that we have option to enable live link. Just toggle this. Live link functionality is enabled and this is the link of your site. But you also have to share username and password with anyone who want to see your website. That means your website is password protected. When you want someone to view your site, you need to make sure that your site is running inside local. If your site is not running in local, that time he will not be able to view the site. So this is how you can install WordPress on your PC and enable live link functionality. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.